Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Onyi Best, and you're welcome to Onyi Best Beauty Patente B. Hope you guys are doing fine. Okay, in today's video, we will be seeing the difference between two similar signs. Okay, they've got some resemblance, but they're not the same. All right, there's a difference. Okay, so we're seeing the differences between this one, which is transitabilità, passo al pata con obbligo di catene. And we'll also be seeing this one as well, Transitabilità. And this time it is called Passo, Chiuso. All right, so we'll be seeing the both of them. The first one is telling us Passo Aperto. Now we have to be careful. It is aperta, it is opened, but you have to do something. You're obliged to do something. Obbligo di catene. You have to use chains. You have to use what's it called? Winter tires as well to transit on this road. So I'm going to read through and I will explain. But while I'm doing that, I would appreciate that at the end of this video, you give me a thumbs up. If you're just seeing my channel for the very first time and you're just coming across any of my videos at all, please feel free to subscribe, like this video, tell me to your friend, tell your friend to another friend, and of course, share my video. It is very important. Let us get right into this video. Now, this one said, è posto su strada di montagna e presignala le condizioni di transitabilità. In questo caso, da passo dello stevio. Now, to get to stevio, this place, to get to this place, the passage to get to this place, the road that will take you to stevio is opened. You are allowed to use this road to get to stevio. Okay? Now, this one, the signal, the condition of your using this road. You can use it, but it's a condition, ok? Indica che la strada è alpata, quindi è possibile raggiungere il passo dello stevio. So the road is opened, it is possible for you to get to Stevio, the city. You can get to Stevio. Ma solo ai veicoli che sono equipaggiati con catene o pneumatici invernali, quindi ne obbliga l'uso. So you're obliged to use a chains on your vehicle tires, or you use a winter tires, okay, that can take you to Stevio. Stevio is reachable. You can get to Stevio, but on one condition: you need to use chains or you need to use winter tires, okay, which is Pneumatici Invernali. So let me keep reading and I'll explain to you as I do. Non è vero che consiglia di montare la catene, ma lo obbliga se non si hanno pneumatici invernali. Now, if you do not have the winter tires, okay, if you do not have it, he said it is not true that it is advising you, okay, since you don't have winter tires, I advise you to use chains. No, if you do not have winter tires, you are obliged to use chains. That means without chains, without winter tires, you cannot get to Stevio, even though it is reachable. Okay, you cannot get to it without either of these two. You do not have to bother about chains if you have winter tires. Okay, that means if I have winter tires, I can actually get to Stevio. But if I don't have winter tires and I have chains, it can actually take me to Stevio. Now, in the absence of these two things, you cannot get to Stevio. Okay, so that is how it is. You see it like this on the road. Tells you obbligo di pneumatici invernali o catene al bordo. So you have to have this winter tires or the chains on board, because this road you cannot get to Mandrioli without either of these. This time around it is Mandrioli according to the image you're seeing here. Okay, so try to read carefully, and if we read through, there's another panello here that's written da 15 novembre al 15 aprile. That means from 15th of November to 15th of April. Okay, this sign goes into function. That means outside this particular time, this sign it becomes invalid. So you have to read through what else is written there, so you know the particular time that you need it. That means say according to this signal, it's telling you 15th of November. Okay, it's telling you that you only use this particular method when it is winter period. So that means say when you are in summer period, it is not needed. Okay, summer period, it is not needed. That's why you need to read thoroughly if there are other things alongside this signal. Okay, it is true that I have to use chains, I have to use my winter tires to penetrate or to access this road to get to Mandrioli, but I should also know that from 15th of November to 15th of April, that is when I need it. So aside these dates, I do not need it. Now, let us see this one, Stevio. The same Stevio, but this time it is Chiuso. The road is closed. Okay, it is not telling you have to use winter tires or you have to use the chains to get to Stevio this time. It's telling you that the road that takes you to Stevio is closed. Okay, a Passo su strada di montagna, you see it for mountain roads. You know, these roads have snows, the snow often. Ok, è più segnala le condizioni di transitabilità, in questo caso del passo dello Stevio. Now, it will tell you the condition of how you go fit to transit for this road. To get to Stabio, the road that takes you there is closed. You cannot get to Stabio, but you can get to as far as where Travoi. Ok, you can get to fino a Travoi, as far as Travio. Ok, e se indica che la strada è chiusa, quindi non è possibile raggiungere il passo dello Stevio, mentre è possibile arrivare fino a Travoi. So you can get to Travoi, but you cannot get to Stevio. Località che si trova prima di Stevio. Now, when you see this particular signal, it tells you the road that takes you to Stevio, you cannot go to Stevio, it is closed. Okay, but you can go as far as Travoi. Okay, this is not the locality we did before Stevio. This is as far as you can go. You cannot go more than this. Il segnala consiglia di procedere con particolare prudenza e attenzione e raccomanda, quindi non obbliga l'uso della catene or delle fiummatrici invernali. Now, it does not oblige you, this one does not oblige you to use the chains or the winter tires like the first one. Okay, this one just tells you, be careful, go with caution, go with attention. Okay, it just wants you, okay, do these things, take it easy. Okay, go with caution, go with more attention. Okay, but know it that you cannot get to Stevio. You can get to as far as Trafoi. That's the locality before Stevio. Okay, so that's just it. The first one wants you must. Okay, what comes with the sign? You're going to read through what comes with the signal. We see a SEGNALI di Obbligo order sign. Remember, SEGNALI di Obbligo is an order sign. It is cycled. Okay, and now you're seeing the signal that tells you must use the chains or the winter tires. Okay, when you see it alongside this place, it tells you, okay, it is accessible, it is open, I can get here, but I must use this method to get to here. Okay, while the other one tells you, you cannot get to the Stevio, it's closed. Okay, but you can go as fast, this one, therefore. Okay, so that's basically the difference between both signs. And I know that by the end of this video, okay, if you go through it and you don't understand, go through it from the beginning again and listen again. I'm sure by the time you do it for the second time, you will definitely understand the difference. Okay, for those of you who don't understand, oh no, we don't know. And those will never see understand. If there's anything give you issue, leave it in the comment section. I'm going to go through it, and of course, I'm going to come back again and give you explanation in the comment section. If it is worth doing a video, fine, I'm going to do a video for it. Okay, see you in my next video. I love you. Bye. Please don't forget to like my video, share my video, and of course, leave your worries, leave your contributions in the comment section. All right, see you guys in my next video. Bye.